Nagamtaki video ha satra kapartay. Subscribe ki Khasi reporter. Ba share rukcha ki parlo ki jompi. Kublai shibun. Hello friends, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. So today I will teach you Khasi through English. Yes, I have seen many Khasi learners, they are very low in English language. So I want them to reach at the top. How can I do that? Yes, not to teach you word by word, but I will teach you in a phrase. Here you will learn so many new words regarding in this topic. Let's start. In English, hello, hakakasi, kumno. In English, how are you? Hakakasi, kumno pilo. In English, I am fine. Hakakasi ngaklai. In English, do you know English? Hakakasi pinang parang. In English, where are you going? Hakakasi shano pile. In English, do you speak English? Hakakasi pishat gran parang. In English, where are you from? Hakakasi pidei nae. In English, I am from India. Hakakasi ngadei na India. In English, what do you do? Hakakasi kae pile. In English, I am a student. Hakakasi ngadei ukna school. In English, where do you live? Hakakasi hangno pisa. In English, I live in Shillong. Hakakasi ngasaha Shillong. In English, don't disturb me. Hakakasi wat pentudianga. In English, wait in line. Hakakasi abha ulai. In English, handle this. Hakakasi batyaka. In English, where is the railway station? Hakakasi Shanoka Station Rail. In English, I don't know. Hakakasi Ngamtip. Only this much, thank you. See you next lesson. And if you have any doubt, please write in your comment section. I always like to check your comments.